Yay, how exciting. You should be a proud plant parent. Your plant has grown and it's ready to be repotted. Now, signs of whether or not your plant needs repotted are that the leaves might be looking a little bit stressed. There's roots coming out the bottom of the pot, or you can see here that the soil is actually being pushed up by the roots. We have got 3 different sizes of pots: small, medium and large. Today we're going from the medium pot to the large pot. Now, when you're taking this off, it's okay to be a little bit rough. You can squeeze it to pull out the pot. You can see that this one here is quite root bound. These roots are even wrapping around it. We want to tease that to promote growth in its new home so it spreads out and has a pretty good life. So I'm going to unravel these big roots at the top here and some of these ones down here. Now I've already filled this one with some dirt and we're going to make sure that it's flush with the pot. I'm going to take some premium Australian potting mix that already has fertiliser in it and pack that around the sides. Probably recommend doing this one outside or on your balcony. So we're going to push down the soil to make sure that there's no air gaps, and make sure you give your plant a little bit of a water now that it's in its new home. And there we have it. Your plant has officially graduated. We're always looking to expand our range, so let us know if there is any plant that you would love delivered to your door.